guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm making a shrimp salad with simple ingredients. There's my spinach and my onions. I'm going to add a few croutons. Okay. I'm going to add me some little cheese here that I have left. So, how is your day? I hope all is well. I can't complain. I can't complain. I'm going to add a little bacon bit. Add a little croutons. So I'm going to add my shrimp. And I season my shrimp with just a little of this, you guys. So you see that's on there. I added, I season with that and olive oil. It's good. Hold on, you guys. Okay, you guys. And I added my red here. It is so good. So, I thank you for watching. And I will be back later with another video. Bye-bye for now.